Hello there. Hello. Say hi. Say hi. Yes. They're just all over the place. There's the misfit. Yeah, there's one misfit. Black ears. Striped tail with a white body. There's a little black and white one. There's the other twin. Where'd he go? Oh. Hey, you. What are you doing? What you doing there? Smile. Smile for the camera. Here. Alright. He's a boy. I think the black and white one's a girl. There's the babies. They're finally getting out and about. Mama's outside. About 90 degrees today. Isn't he funny looking with a striped tail and the little black ears, and he's got a little black dot on his nose? Call him Gizmo. Two twins. What you doing? Oh, we got a little poop. Uh-oh. Got baby's potty in here. Looks like we're going to start potty training. Time to start potty training. You see the camera, huh? Yeah, time to get potty training out going. The white one's a little girl. We thought it was a boy, but it's a little girl. Thanks. What you doing? Huh? Huh? See the camera? Those are the twins. They're cute. You're such a cutie. You coming in to inspect, huh? Coming to take a look? Okay. Yeah. Better go get Mama, huh? This is a little boy here. See, the first one out of the nest. He's a little boy. Yeah, we're going to have to get the little baby potty set up here pretty soon. Where you going? Huh? Where you going? Come on. Come on. I better go get Mom. Yep, I better get Mom. I'm playing in there.